dreaming of a job in tech. Let's turn that dream into your next big move. Whether you're fascinated by cybersecurity, data analytics, or even project management, VMAS has a certification for you. Each course is designed to boost your skills and make your resume stand out, no matter where you're starting from. With flexible online programs, you can learn at your own pace and earn an official e-certificate when you're done. Imagine adding "Certified by VMAS" to your LinkedIn profile. It's a game changer for landing those interviews. From machine learning to UX design and even Power BI data analytics, these certifications don't just open doors. They launch careers in today's AI-driven digital world. And with more certifications coming soon, there's always something new to master. So why wait? Invest in yourself, build your confidence, and get noticed in the tech industry. Check out www.vmas.com.pk and take your first step today.